friends, welcome back to Chitra Art. This is the class for day 5. For this painting, we need drawing paper, 1 pencil, 1 eraser and colors like red and black. Now start drawing. Draw one big circle. Now draw the head. Now add the patterns. Now draw the legs. Darken the drawing with black color. Now start coloring. Fill red color to the body. Add some shadows and we are done. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like and share. If you have any doubts, just comment down below. Bye. See you next class.